Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the stream. A Tuesday stream. I know, a Tuesday stream. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Let's go over to here. Yeah, hello. Good evening. I hope everybody's having a fantastic, wonderful day. It is indeed the aforementioned Tuesday, which I haven't streamed on a Tuesday all year. It's only the third Tuesday, second Tuesday, third Tuesday. But yeah, I haven't seen it. But we're going to go back into some software development and try and finish this project up because I wanted to get it done before New Year, and I didn't. For some obvious reasons, work became a bit heavier than I expected, and I just lost the motivation. So we're going to get back into it and go for it. Emble, hello, good evening. I hope you are having a fantastic and wonderful day. Your Tuesday has been awesome and fun and wonderful. So I am going to give this a go and see if I remember what we were doing. So shall we jump over? Let's go over to the shouldn't be down here. I'll go over here. It's head exception. Go over there. There you go. Okay. So hopefully this will be okay and everything will be fine and wonderful. So let's first and foremost actually hit play and see whether the thing still works, because I haven't touched it since last time. That means nothing. It's our wonderful game. Oh, that's good. Oh. Boing. Ooh. Okay. There's a few things. Missed it. No. Poof. No, I missed it. Yay! Woo! We got 1 point. Yay! Okay, cool. Right. Doesn't reset that down there. Right. Okay. So there's a few things that need doing. Now I have got a list of stuff to do here. I need to do a couple of other things here. So this is all done and sorted and blah blah blah. Limit support levels to stop material overflow. Yes, we need to do that to make sure that our things are on there. We also need to level. So like that. Okay, right. So if we do this again, let's do this again here. New game. Oof. I'm great at this game. Look at this. Look how legendary I am. It's also a bit quiet. Did I turn the volume down last time I played? I might have turned the volume down last time I played. I don't remember. Boing. Boing. It's a bounty hedgehog. It's a bull hedgehog. Right. Okay. So get rid of one of those. Okay, so if I quit to the main menu and then go new game, they stay. We don't want them to stay. We want to reset them when we hit new game. Okay, when new game. Okay, so I want to do that there. Okay, so let's start with these two. These two seem like a good thing. But Wanderer, hello. I hope you've been having a good day. Everything has been awesome and wonderful. What do I want to do here? I want to do the support paddle hit system. That's when a paddle gets hit. We don't want to do that. We want to pair with lots and lots of trees. Oh, nice. Authoring sets the hit point 0. There's something we do somewhere that allows this is the problem when you go away from stuff for a month. Right. One of these things triggers some information about our thing. It might also be in our the menu and stuff. I don't know. So yeah, lots of trees. Unity been slacking recently on Unreal and C++. Yeah, I haven't loaded up Unity in about a month. So yeah. Problem is I don't remember where everything is. So I remember when we start a level, we store the state of the paddles, the support paddles, the support blocks, so that we can I also want to possibly change up those support blocks to actually be blocks rather than be hexes. I think that's what I want to do. I think I want to change them to be blocks instead of the paddles, because they look a bit weird, but I don't remember where we store them. Boxes and hex to destroy hex hit system. Spawn effect is fine. Material change, paddle input system, pause, reset world system. What's this one? Yeah, we're not doing that there. So that's a reset the world tag. We remove the reset the world tag. Okay, so we reset the world tag. So we get everything that has paddle data, ball data, and hex data and reset that. So that's not what I want to do. What I need is this. So this fires on everything that has a support paddle hit tag. So that's not what I want to do. If hit points equals this, then we reset the position of it. Otherwise, we make sure its position is 0 and we trigger it with the material change tag. Okay, so that's fine. But what I need to do is when we start the level, so is it level spawn system? Is it in here that we do it? So that cleans up the previous system. Yep. Okay, that destroys every entity that's in the world. That's fine. Here's the support thing, right? Okay. If we restart the level spawn, so that's start level spawn. So I need another state in here that tells me if it's a new game. We do that when we hit the main menu button panel, new game button. You disable that, you enable the top panel, you hit the new game button in the menu here. Level query value, level data, current level is game start level. Otherwise we trigger a node, that's fine. So start level is spawn, restart level is false. Okay. Right. And this is looking for, in the cleanup, it needs to know what to do. Right, what about oh dear, I'm gonna have to be right back. Sorry, I need to I will be right back. Okay, I am back. Sorry about that. Bloop, bloop, bloop. There you go. Okay, right. So, what I was looking for was in the level clear menu. No, I didn't. What does the next level button do? Mr. Zuckerberg, hello, good evening. Happy 2025 to you as well. I hope your year has been going fantastically so far. Level clear, next level button. Start level spawn. Restart level spawn is false. Right. Are we going to play Civ 7? I mean, I do like Civ. I was not aware Civ 7 was coming soon. Now? What? When? Oh, 11th of February. Okay, I knew it was coming. I didn't know how soon it was coming, actually. I saw, who did I watch play that? Quill 18, I think, play some Civ. Yeah. I might have a look into some Civ. I haven't. Yeah. No, haven't. Yeah. It's a game I would probably pick up. I don't own Civ 6. I think Civ 4 I played a load of. Might have played Civ 5 a bit. Civ 4 was fantastic. Yeah. I'm making. Yes. I'm making the Unity game. Yeah, I played the last one that was grid-based, and then the first one that was hex-based. The Civ. I don't think I played 6. So we destroy the paddle, we destroy the ball, we destroy all hexes on the screen, and make sure everything's clear. If we're restarting the level, we do that. Otherwise, we are starting a new level. But what if I'm starting a new game? These really should not be this way. These should be singleton queries. And if something goes wrong with the double up on them, then I need to correct the double up on them, not this way, but might change that up now. What if I change this run data? What if I change this run data? No, don't do that. No, stop. Cancel. How is it you go to this? There. Yep. It's exactly a breakout. This is. Let me show you. We got hex breakout. Boop. We have a boom, and we can bounce the ball around and hit the hexes. We got bonus lock on things, so we got support down the bottom. It's just purely for me to learn things, basically, because I want to make a game. I want to make a factory style game. So it is brown. It is brown to look a bit like me, but I don't know how to model a hedgehog that would look like me. I don't know how to do that. But we have a multi-ball. Well, and I think you can get up to, I think it's about 12 balls, and just life, you just lose the plot completely. it goes a bit nuts when you. I'm okay with C#, but I'm learning dots and the entity system for Unity. It's complete overkill for a project of this size. You don't need entity component systems and stuff. You don't need entities for it. But I'm learning that because that's what I want to learn the process of doing that. So I thought I'd start off with a very small, simple project that just yeah, it just kind of works, you know. Boop, boop. Just to try and learn how things go. Oh god. But as you see, it gets a little bit manic. I've not done anything to do with AI or any code assist or anything like that at all. That's weird. We've only got one ball now. That's weird. I know a lot of people are using ChatGPT to get assistance with code stuff. I've not gone into any of that, mainly because it all costs money. Basically, you get some free stuff, but I haven't really done that, and I probably should, because I'm hurting myself by not doing it. I know many people don't like AI. I'm kind of, I do like the concept of AI. I don't really like AI generated art because it can't do anything that an artist can't do better. But for code gen and stuff like that, I think AI could help because it's just faster, just speeds up the process. Yeah, so yeah, that's there. But I've got a couple of things which are a bit broken on the game right now. So first and foremost, if you go back to the main menu when you have the supports up and some blocks there and you go new game, they all stay on the screen, and I don't want them to stay on the screen. Also, all the balls stay on the screen, so there's that, which is very weird because a bit of light factor. Like, yes, it's not going to necessarily have conveyor belts in it, but it will have conveyor style systems in it. So like Factorio, like Factory Town. But I have a concept for a game in my head where you're a computer. The concept for the game I want to make, and this is kind of like that. You're a computer in cyberspace, and you have a motherboard with your CPU socket, and you basically, your currency is power. You have a certain power level, and you have to take contracts, which are things like, just process some numbers or do whatever bits and pieces that your processor does it. Obviously, it's a very early could start off at the x86 level, the 88.6 level. So your processor does things, and then when you earn enough energy credits, you can then spend your energy credits. Instead of getting new contracts to complete contracts for energy, you can do research to unlock, say, an ISA port. So you can get an ISA port, and then you can plug in a card to that, which gives you bonus things. So you can take contracts that can do, say, some graphics thing, which will give you more money. And basically, you're a computer going through the ages of time. But the idea would be you'd start with your CPU socket, and when you put in your first expansion port, you'd have to connect them up. And because you have limited space for your motherboard, you've got to route the stuff around to get, so that's where the factory style comes into it. I haven't quite got the entire concept down, but I've got an idea in my head of doing it. And then as you expand up and get through it, you could start a second motherboard and then have links between them, so you can like network computers up together, all sort of in a cyberspace style thing, where so your factory is the inside of a computer where you have the CPU, your graphics card, your memory, your expansion port, sorts of things. And if you want to take a contract and it says, hey, I want to do some 3D processing, and you don't have a 3D graphics card, you can't do it. So yeah. C++. I'm not doing anything. No, I prefer C#. So yeah. Oh yeah, ads. Twitch. I wish I could turn them off, but then Twitch just basically kills your channel completely. So right, very confused as to why when you hit new game, Why is this not firing? Hold on. Player ball count. Right, so when we split a new game, we need to reset the player ball count data. Welcome back. Yeah, sorry about the adverts, but I can't. If I disable them, Twitch basically buries my channel completely. So, yeah. Not that you can still find it, obviously, but it's not, yeah. Made 0.008. Yeah. What do you mean? Ad revenue on Twitch is fantastic. Yeah. But even though you don't make a great deal from it, if you disable the ads on there, Twitch just doesn't help you at all. Which I get. They've got to make money. I understand it. You know. Yeah. Right. When I hit that new game button here, YouTube hides my channel too. YouTube should be alright because I've got YouTube. I'm slowly but steadily growing on it. It's you know getting better every month with YouTube. Extremely slowly. Last year I was very happy that I managed to actually get just over 1 subscriber a day throughout the whole year. I've already got 43 subscribers for the last month on Twitch, so it's slowly but surely. I need to do more. I need to put more effort into it, but time is time. I need time. I need more time. Right. Catch on YouTube Premium with no ads. Yeah. You wouldn't believe if you have YouTube Premium, you earn way more from people watching your videos with Premium than you do from adverts. It is. You're still talking just pennies and stuff for it, but it's like you earn like a quarter of a penny per advert or something, but you can earn almost a penny per YouTube Premium person. It's really strange how they've done things like that. So yeah, it's weird. YouTube Premium views are fantastic. Yeah. So yeah, YouTube Premiums, yeah, fantastic. Yeah. YouTube Premium was right up, so YouTube feed them ads even though they got Premium. Really? I know Twitch has done that. You have Twitch Nitro, not Twitch Nitro. If you have if you have Twitch Nitro, you still get ads or something. But I've not seen any adverts on YouTube for like years because I've had Premium for a long time. So, but yeah, you're saying about retiring 800 years. Where was the thing? Where was the thing? Hold on a moment. Let me get completely distracted. Subscribers milestones. Let's see here. So, according to the Social Blade website, for the way things are going on my current YouTube channel, I would hit 25,000 subscribers in 2029. So yeah. So yeah. You block it. Oh no, how could you? How could you? It's fine. It's fine. But yeah. So 25,000 subscribers in 2029, which means that's December 2029, which means I should be able to hit 1 million subscribers by 2050, something like that, I reckon. Yeah. Yeah, back when YouTube Red. Yes, yep, that's when I did have YouTube Red, but I think it very quickly became YouTube Premium, so I was quite late to the YouTube Red show. Anyway, I've tried Visual Studio Code. It doesn't have as good Unity integration as Visual Community. I find that I don't get as many IntelliPrompts from it. So I went back to this. I've got Visual Studio Code installed, but I went back to this. I tried Visual Studio Code because you could get free ChatGPT or whatever the hell it was, Copilot, free Copilot stuff with it, couldn't you? Yeah. The college student discount on YouTube Premium right now, yeah. Right, so I need to change. Okay, so you are checking for if we don't have the menu entity, we don't have the player data on here. We create the player data. Okay, menu entity. Menu entity is something we store up here, isn't it? Right, okay. So what I need to do then is come down here when we hit a new button. I'll do it because this is a mono behavior, isn't it? Yeah. I really wish I'd done the menu system using the new the Unity what the hell that the new UI system. I can't remember what it's called now, but I wish I'd done that because that works with entities better than this. But no. So when I hit the new game button, I need to, the run once data needs to store, right, so my run once data, I need to change this, a public, can I create an enum in here? Level start time, new game, next level, start level, okay. And then I want to make a public wow, that's not how you spell. Come on, Braid. Doesn't help that my keyboard's halfway across my desk. Public level start type, Okay. And then we can go to the menu. Okay. And then we can change this. Level start type can equals level start type dot new game. Okay. Oh, I also want to come here and set this to, I want a none in here as well. The level start type equals level start type dot none. And then here, the start type wants to equals level start type dot restart level. But extra, do I? Oh, yeah, I don't need that at the end, do I? Does I? Don't think it matters, but I always do that. I always do that. Yep. And then what's this one? Return to main menu. Oh yeah, this wants to be the same thing as well. Start type equals level start type dot none. Okay. I realised that these are literally just ints. Basically, they're classed as ints, so I could say 1, 2, 3, 4. But typing it out verbose like this makes my life easier to read it back. So yeah, it's just so much easier to read it back. Okay, so now when we spawn our level, we go if level 1 type dot start type equals start level start type dot none. Oh, there you go. Ah, you made me invisible. How could you? How could you? Yes, remove magic numbers. Yes. Yeah, it also allows you to add new things into here and you can reorder them and it doesn't matter because you're not using ints or anything anywhere. It's probably quicker to just cast it directly as the ints and just say 1, 2, 3, 4, but this is just, I think the compiler does that anyway. I think the compiler makes them ints anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Right, so if the start type equals none, I want to that means we've returned. No, hold on. Right, so yeah, so that's a none. But so right now, I want to add another one to this. So we got none, which means we're doing the same thing here. No, maybe I'm trying to be a high quality streamer. How could you? How could you? New game, next level, restart level. And I want I need one that returns to main menu, because if I return to main menu I want to delete I want to run the cleanup thing if I return to the main menu. So let's do main menu, which it doesn't technically fit in there properly, but it's fine. Let's copy this. If it ever starts out as a dot main menu, then we want to run cleanup with player data, which you can't do because you haven't got the player data yet. Okay, so let's actually let's not worry about it. Okay, we don't need that yet. Okay, so once you have run once, that's what this is. This is the run data run once value. We then want to set your start type is none, which means the game is currently running, so don't do anything more. We don't need to do this. So if it's not none, then we do that, which means the menu here, that's a new game. You return to main menu. This wants to be main menu. Okay, so we clean up. And then here we do another check, and if we are main menu, we set the data to none, and then we restart. Return. So we don't spawn anything, we don't do anything here. We set it to none, which then means we're going to come back here, and this is just going to go to this here and sit around going, no. Respawn ball. Oh yeah, and that needs to run if that is even none. So the respawn ball runs independently. Okay. So this is going to have to be a series of if statements again here. If run data dot, so this is restart level, start type equals is equal to restart, start type dot restart level, do that. Start type is equal to level dot new game. No, hang on. No, not game. This is the next level. Okay, and then we want another one. Yep, want another one. Basically this here. This wants to be new game. And we want to go, so what's the data? Where are we getting data from? Data is the support entity. Value RW dot previous hit points should equals 0. Why? Previous ball count should equals 3. No, 1. Reset it back to 1. Why are we adding +1 here? This is the problem when you go away from a project and come back to it like a month later. I don't remember why I'm adding 1 here, but it's clearly for a reason. It clearly works. I guess we're taking the hit points, and then we're taking the previous hit points +1. So we're adding 1 to them. Why would we be doing that? If you restart a level, we're adding 1 back to the supports. Support paddle data. Let's pull that up. It's hit points and previous hit points. Why would it be +1? I don't know, because this is if you restart the level. So when you finish level, you can choose to play it again, or at any point you can hit escape and restart a level, which means I want to set the supports, which are the things that spawn at the bottom, to the level they were when the level first started. Go to next level. Oh, I know why. Because of this. This support hit tag takes 1 hit point away from them all. So we add 1 here, and then this takes 1 away from them. So that's why we had to add 1 to it. Yeah, and that changes the color of them to the correct color. So they'd increase by 1, take 1 away, and their color would be set correctly. because that was the only way I think I could get them to spawn in correctly if some of them had been removed previously. So yeah, and then this one here wants to be set to 0 because it's a new game, so we're resetting them to 0 because you're not doing that. Your ball count should be 1. Okay, there we go. Right, okay, so we then spawn a paddle. Well, we don't spawn a paddle, that's done. Yeah, so we spawned a paddle, we need the paddle, that's fine. We spawn the ball for every ball we have. Player data dot ball count. See, player data ball count. No, not previous hit points. This wants to be just hit points, and this wants to be ball count, not the previous ball count. It wants to just be ball count and like that. Okay. We also want to actually do the previous one as well, don't we? I want to set them all the hit points and the previous hit points to that, and then the player data dot value rw dot previous ball count should equals 1 as well. So that reset the amount of balls we have as 1, and that reset our supports to 0. Well, technically -1, but that doesn't matter. I don't think they can go -1. I might have to double check that. Right. So the balls will only spawn a single ball if you hit new game. So if you've got 8 balls and you quit to the main menu and restart, you'll only get 1 ball now. The paddle, sorry, that's the ball 1. That'll work there. That's fine. This is spawning the blocks depending on what level we're on. That's fine. That works. We know that works fine. And I've got something here. What's this? This wants to set the value dot start. So this wants to say the value equals level start type data dot none. No, not new game. None. There we go. Yeah. I have used switch statement before. I don't use them often enough to remember to use them correctly. That's the thing. That I should be using a switch here. But I don't use them often enough. So I don't remember I don't remember how to use them without looking them up. Whereas nested if statements, well, not nested, but if I do remember that. So yeah, I'd have to look up switch. I know switch is, I don't know if it's more efficient or not or whatever. I don't know. So let me look up switch statement. Oh, that's easy. It's just because I don't use them. Switch run data dot start type. Whoa. And we go case, and we go level start, none. And then we do stuff in here. No. Let me just fill this in. Start dot next level. And then case, I probably don't need all the cases. Level dot restart level. Level start type dot main menu. So that's, yeah, so that's it. And then what I do is I move these into the things we want to move into, don't we? So we just take that and do That, do you have to put a break in the end of them or a return? Break breaks out of a switch statement, doesn't it? So these should be break, shouldn't they? Yeah. Yeah. So this is next level, which is that one. Break. With parentheses, with curly brackets, what? Huh? Is that's the same as the nested if statements that I've got there? That should be break, shouldn't it? And this should be break. Yeah. Yeah. So there. Yeah. I think the issue with the switch statement is that I just don't use it often enough to do it. I end up having multiple if statements instead. This is faster because it only runs one case and then breaks out of it. It doesn't check each if statement. Don't need this level of optimization, at least right now, but you never know. Later it might be better. So yeah. So if it's none or it's main menu, we break out of it, which is fine. Actually, this should also be down here, which I know is doubling up stuff. But if we return to the main menu, I'd like to reset all the stuff beforehand. At least I'd like to reset the component stuff. So, can you do an OR case? No, doesn't matter. That'd be fine. That'd be fine. We'll do that. We'll do that. Right, okay. Right. Anything else broken? What's wrong with you? The retry level button. Aha, yes. Dot start type equals start level level start type dot restart level. Run once data does not contain. What's this? Why are you here? What are you doing? On update demo mode. Oh, this is demo mode. Oh, God. I think this is next level. This should be next level. Yeah, the demo mode is the next level one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How do we fire demo mode? Do you remember what the button was for demo mode? F5 was it? Oh no, F5 was delete things, wasn't it? If we're not paused, then we put the key and pause menu. If we press F5, we're not in demo. No, F5 is start demo mode. Right, let's see whether our demo mode still works. Or will stuff explode? No, right, push F5. Hey. That's interesting. They all spawned as black. Why do they all spawn as black? They should have all spawned as blue. I think that's because they're right, so I need to fix that, which is going to be in our systems support paddle hit system. If we're less than or equal to 0, we set our position to 2, and then we go underscore data.hit points equals 0. Okay. So we always force our hit points to be 0, they never go below 0. Okay, try again. Nope. Let him go. Go, computer, go. I have absolutely no idea what level this is. Not very many question marks for you to get there, is there? That is a problem that I still need to address. If you push escape when this is running, the ball continues moving. I'm sure we fixed that at one point, that the ball stops moving. I guess it doesn't do it on yeah, I need to get rid of those. Yep, I need to get rid of those. Okay. What are they? What are they? Let me... special. They're special blocks. Okay. Right, so that's... We can close all these down now, because that is working for the minute. Okay. That is done. Oh. Put that up there. Yeah, I need to limit the level of things. That's going to be in the special system too, right? So, wait, special trigger system. Okay. Right, see, this is where I use the special ID as a number, and I shouldn't have done this. This should be a enum as well, to make life easier for my brain to work here. But I think I did this because I was testing it and I literally just had a 0 and 1. That was it. Support value.hit points equals ++. Okay, but I want to clamp that to be a maximum of, I want to say 7, which is the same with the spawn level system. Where's the spawn level spawn system? This one here. So where do we spawn our hexes? Spawn blocks. They're not blocks anymore. Shows you how old this code is. Rotation. Hit point is clamped. Seven's the highest we can go. Okay, so I want to do that here as well. Hit points is greater than 7. Then hit points equals 7. That can be an RO because that's faster access. Well, that clamps that, nice and easy, job done. Okay, cool. Right, so that's fine. So we can't do that there anymore. Okay. Boop, that's fine there. So there's that one done as well. Cool. Okay. This cannot be done with the way our input action system works. I can't launch a single board at a time from there. All of them must launch at the same time. Kind of awkward, but yeah. Right, I need to have another one here, don't I? Right, remove special indicators. So how do the special indicators work? Okay, go back to level spawn system. Go down to our hexes once again. If special, okay, we want to instantiate a special marker. Do we tag this? We do indeed tag it with the special data. Okay, awesome. So that means we can find that special data in our level cleanup, which will be in our, which is here, isn't it? Is it here? Is this level spawn? Yeah, this code is too big. The level spawn system also spawns the paddle, and it kind of does. So the cleanup here. This wants to be special data. Okay, and that should fix that problem. Bum 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 bum. Level, press escape. Okay, go to main menu. It does. It cleans up everything. Excellent, beautiful. So the only thing that exists is our material plane. Oh, wrong one. Is our material plane and our audio source. It's the only thing that is existing in the main game when we restart things. So we go new level. Why the devil if we start on level 11? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Mono behavior menu. New game button. Why am I setting the current level to the game start level? Game start level is the, oh. Spawn paddle, spawn ball, spawn blocks. Right. Where's the player data coming from? The player data is coming in there, but we're not sending in the level data, are we? No, so I can't reset the level data there. We are sending the level data here. Right, okay, so I guess here. Yep. The new game wants to be hard-coded to level 1. Okay, the new game button. And if we ever want to allow players to skip ahead, we will not use the new game button, we'll use a different button. A different UI button to do that. So it will, you'll click a different one, it will go through. Because I'd like to have a menu that shows all your times of levels you've already completed, and you can just go and start that level again. With only one ball, which might make life more difficult, but yeah, that's how it goes. Okay. So now If I press F5, you... Ah, you press the new game button. Right. Right, so, yeah. So that's why that... right, so that needs to stay there. Return to main menu. Oh, I know what I do. Game start level equals 1. If we return to the main menu, we'll just reset the level to 1. Right. So push F5, we get a random level. Go main menu, go new game, level 1. Main menu, push F5. Main menu, new game. Right, that I need to fix as well. Although I don't want you to be able to go to demo mode yourself. Like that's purely for us here. Interestingly, if you start a game and then click demo mode, the top bar stays there. There, okay, so they're blue now at the bottom. That's good. That means that's working. Excellent. They're going to lighter blue. That's fine. A little green. They should only go to yellow and never go any higher. Also, what I need to do on this demo mode is I need to figure out a way for the actual paddle to chase like the closest ball to the paddle. Is going to be the best way I can think of doing it. Oh, we're going purple now. Cool. Red. Okay, are there no double ball ones in this level? Level 17 doesn't have any double ball thing. I guess not. All white. Okay. I think they're all bonus level things. Level 17 is a very strong buffing level, I guess. Although as we add more, we'll get more variety of them. I think they're all. But that should be it. We shouldn't get any higher than yellow. Oh, yay! You see, currently it just chases the lowest ball, and it gets utterly confused, it should probably just pick the closest ball to it. It's missing so many of them. It gets so confused, poor old thing. Yeah, I think I should check the distance to the paddle. Okay, right, you can stop there. You can stop there. Rest menu. Didn't reset them, but it did reset them when I hit new game. Okay. Boink. Yeah. Come back. Oh, cool. Hello, good evening. I hope you are having a good day. Gave me support. Cool. Okay. Yeah. My legs level button does not work. Why is the second level 46? What? Right, okay, so the next level button should set the previous hit points or current hit points for the data, which is not a very descriptive thing. Oh, that wants to be stored data. Does the word support have two P's in it? It does. It does. It looked weird to me. Right. So that's better. So now I can differentiate between the two there. So you set the hit points correctly, and the next one is the ball count. So that's fine. And then you break out of this. Okay. You should only run the once, because once you've run here, we don't spawn any of that. Then we reset the thing at the end anyway. So if you're the main menu, we support none. Otherwise, you spawn the paddle, spawn the ball, spawn the blocks, and then we set the level data to none. Why does my next level level clear menu? This should be called button panel. Next level is the clear level next level button. So that's the wrong thing. Yay. Ooh, it works. Cool. Okay. Boom. Boom. And let me stiff thing. Yay. Boom. Two balls. Yay. Next level. Okay. Three balls. No. 4, 5 balls. That one. No. That one. 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 No. 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 Ah. Hey. That's all. Thunk. Ow. Yeah, I need to. Oh god. Some of them go flying out. Some stop dead. Yeah, smash them all. No, 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 no. Wow, the balls up here. No. Multi-ball. Hey! 53 seconds. Next level. Pow! I think you could play this game with a pet. It technically lets you play with a pet, but I think you could. Hey. Okay. Cool. Right, and if I retry, it resets the floor back to what it was before and gives me all my balls back. So you can always try another level again. Cool. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. So, that is now done. Okay. So, the hex's power-ups. This is the next thing we need to do. This is kind of the last thing we'll do. Let's go into our special data here, and special hex type. Okay, and we want to have none was the first one. Extra ball, support blocks, thingy, don't know. And then this here no longer wants to be an int. This wants to be a special hex type. Special hex type. Okay, now we go back in here, and this will throw wobblies for us. Is special hex type is equal to special hex type dot extra ball. We do the thing here, and special hex type is equals to special hex type dot support blocks. We add the support blocks, okay, and then this will become a switch statement as well, probably, because it will be more and more and more added in here, but that's okay. Right. What's wrong with this? So we randomly choose what's going to be in the support one. There is a way to find out how long the enum is, and then we take one away from that, which means I don't want none. I want extra ball to be my first one, because that's 0, that's 1, that's 2. Right? So special hex type equals how do I randomly select from an enum? See. Yeah, enum.getValues gives you an array of all of the types, and then oh god, do I want to do that? You choose whether you're special. If it's special, then we need to get the so I get the values as an enum. Under a static class, that's not going to be a good idea. So problem is because it's running in an I system. I need to make sure it doesn't create arrays and things, or if it does, I need to dispose of them. I'm not sure. Not sure if our system needs that, or is that a job thing? I might be confusing my entity systems. I might be confusing myself. That's probably what I'm doing here. Yeah, I mean, how do I, because, yeah. Values, type of, I don't want level data, I want special xtype.length. So that gives me the length of the thing, and then I can plug that max into there, and that will give me a random one there. I just need to remember how to cast it back. I'm not sure just whether that is allowed in an I system. Oh, hold on. Right, let me scroll down here a moment. Of any, yeah, if every answer here is using a static class, which doesn't really work. No need to store arrays. Oh, you can cast it directly. Can I? Can I? Oh, okay. I thought there was a Yeah, so yeah, I don't know if the get enums is allowed in an I system. The problem is I can't reference external static class in an I system as well. Yeah, burst accessing use type of. What I could do. It's that. Static field inside the I system struct. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, would doing it this way hurt at all? Put in. Does that, doesn't that work? I seem to remember doing that ages ago, and there was a reason you don't do it that way. There was a reason you don't do it that way. But I can't remember what it is. For the life of me. And that needs to be a -1 anyway, doesn't it? Yeah. So the max entry. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that needs to be a -1, doesn't it, in there? Because otherwise, that's not gonna. That's gonna choose end of as well. So that should choose 0, 1, and 2, but shouldn't choose. So it should choose 0, 1, and 2, but shouldn't ever choose 3. I don't need to technically make that every time it's a special thing. I don't need to make a new int for that. As you said, we could have that outside. Yeah. Next int might be 0 to 1. You might be right. Doesn't give me. Doesn't give me any information on that. Let's do that. There, and then in the special. I'll say 0 to max. That's maximum. Oh, okay. So I don't need the -1 there. Okay, cool. Right. Right. Level spawn system. No, that's where we are already. Okay. Here, yes, this is the one I want. So, dupe. Let me just go if special type is equal to pressure hex type dot thingy. I'm just going to debug dot log. Why do you do that? Go away. Unity engine. Log thingy, and then I'm going to do another one here. And go end off like that. Okay. Just as a testing thing here. Play. Bum ba bum 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 ba bum. Show me the console. Go into demo mode. Go into demo. Okay. I don't think you're going to get any I don't think you're going to get anything on this level. Oh, we triggered a thingy. Yeah, I need to find a better way for the AI to chase the ball. I think it needs to calculate either the closest ball and follow the closest ball, or it needs to figure out which one's got the most downward momentum and always chase the one with the most downward momentum. But I don't know how to check the downward momentum. Maybe just chasing the closest ball would make more sense. The vertical velocity divided by the height above ground. That's, yeah, I'm not sure how to get the vertical. That was interesting. It fired one ball at a time, which I didn't think was doable. Because right now it just chases the lowest ball, whichever one's got the lowest value it fires. So I just want to watch it for a little bit to see whether it triggers any end of it. It shouldn't, but you know, Unity documents are well known for being correct all the time. Oh yes. Boop. That's nice, and it triggering thingies. Cool. Okay, so stop that. Right, so this works. This works, okay? So if we do a thingy, we need to do a thingy for the thingy. This should be a switch statement in here as well. But we'll do that later. Right, so, okay. Let's have a look at our demo mode system on update. So we get the movement buffer. Oh yeah, we create a new ball transform every single frame, and we put it at 10. So it reads, yeah, so it reads everything below this point. Any ball that's above this point, it ignores. It only reads stuff below this point. And basically, we check every ball in the scene, and if the ball is lower than the current ball, then is lower than 10, and the current ball that we've checked before, follow that one. Otherwise, don't follow anything. And then we make the thing turn, and then if we don't have any hex data, we cancel out of that, and then yeah. So this here is right. So that's for launching the ball. If we have a ball, we wait for 1 second, and we're constantly moving the paddle. And then we launch it. Okay, that's fine. So it's this one here. Okay. So I can get the ball transform. I don't know how to get the ball's velocity. That's got to be done in the there's a thing for this ball collision ball movement system. Excuse me. Yeah, so we can get the physics velocity of the ball, every ball in the scene. What does that give us? What does this give us? We get a linear and angular. Yeah, I can get it. I didn't remember what it was called. So we just get a so we get the ball data, because we need that, and we get the ball transform. We could get rid of the ball transform, and we can get I just looked at what's it called? Physics velocity. Ball. That was not spelled very well. Oh, okay. Right. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I'm yawning a lot and I don't know why. It's not like I should be tired. I've slept plenty today. Jeez. Right. Let's call this ball PV. Just to make life easier for ourselves. Ball PV dot angular. So I don't know what this is. We've got X, Y, and Z. Is that positioning, or is that speed, or is that... What is that? And we'd want the Y, wouldn't we? The Y is a float 3. So that's the langular. I must be tired. Linear.y is also a float 3. Why is the linear a float 3? To float 3. No, the Y. The Y is a float 3. No, it's not. Hold on. No, it's not. It might just be a float. It is a float. Why did I think? Oh, float 3.y. Sorry. Yeah. I'm no longer thinking correctly. Yeah, so the float 3 XYZ, of course. Yes. Right. Okay. So that's going to be the speed up and down, isn't it? So this is going to be a negative value if it's coming down, and the higher the negative value. Okay. So how about just to start with, let's say, let's not do this here for a minute. Let's create a new float. I call this y speed, and we'll set it to. Come on, brain. Set it to 0. Okay. And then down here, rather than do this, we will go. Undo. Ball transform equals this transform, and then we follow the ball transform, don't we? So now I still need to get the correct ball transform. Let me undo. Go back. Right, boom. We don't care about the ball position. Okay, we don't care about the ball position. Okay, we want to create a new float, call this y speed, and set this to 0. And then down here, if opv.linear.y is less than y speed, then we want to follow this ball speed. So whichever one's got the greatest negative y speed will be the ball we follow. So everyone's coming down the fastest, which still isn't what we want to follow, but my brain is not computing properly. Right. Interesting. Why are you going to 0 all the time? Why would you reset back to this center point? That's weird. Got to set y speed. Oh yeah, y speed. Yeah. Try. Yep. Why would you reset back to 0? I think that's why I had the position set to 10, because the actual speed needs to be above the edge of the map. But the distance needs to be above the level up here, otherwise it kept resetting to 0. I think that's why I did that. So now it must be, and a ball cannot hit 10 speed, so it should always follow the same ball. Okay. Oh, it's doing a bit of a wiggle. It's doing a bit of a wiggle. You right there, Pad? I bet that's because initially when the ball hits it and bounces off, it is getting a higher speed than 10. Yeah, I guess that's what it's doing. That's why it's twitching. Because the initial speed is greater than 10 when it first hits it. Because it does do that. The bounce off the pad is actually quite strong, and then the ball slows down very quickly to its maximum speed. It's capped at speed, but for a few frames, it is technically faster than it's supposed to be. That's to stop the ball sitting on the paddle and moving along with the paddle, which I had a couple of times. Right, can we no, no. Can we find a level that isn't? Yellow. It's all yellow. I might have to set the let's set the initial speed to like 100 or something. Oh, sorry. Burst was still compiling. All right. Boom. Yeah, dot max. Yeah, I could do that. Is it max value like 65 million or something stupid like that? Like, is it really, really high? Although, I suppose it doesn't matter if I set it to 100 or set it to max value, it still uses the same memory footprint because it is a float. It contains the same amount of data regardless of the numbers inside it. Give me another ball. Come on. I need a thing that lets me have second balls that just spawn with more balls. Something may help make life easier. Ba-ba-da. Right, okay. I guess that one was a thingy, which we still haven't got actually set yet. That's the thing. Some of those question marks are going to be unusable or not set yet, which is fine. We'll get more as time goes on. The problem is, if I want to have some of these question marks be specific blocks, like a block that requires you to break other blocks first. Did you miss? We need to do that at the spawning stage, not at the breaking stage. I also need to let demo mode go at level 1 upwards and actually get a time for each level, and that will be the the time set. Bum. This isn't. Hey. Okay, so it chose. Right. This is better. It's definitely better. Still getting itself confused. Also, it's following some of them up rather than down. I think that's probably just because it has to follow one of them. And it was following that one even though its Y value was up. Right, okay. What did I get wrong here? If the ball's linear speed is less than the Y speed, why would you follow one that was going up? Another one was coming down. Its linear Y speed should have been lower. Okay. The only other problem with this is, let's play. Go into demo mode. Pause there. If I go to the ball's Y position is minus 1.2. Yeah, because that there is 0. This is minus and that is plus, because this goes through the 0 plane. It's not above the 0 plane. So we need to take that Y value and we need to add on the Y position. Because a minus plus a minus ends up as a bigger minus. So the Y speed is 100. Okay. But so I don't need this here. I don't need I need to calculate a new speed here, don't I? So YY speed. Let's do a float. No, float. YY speed equals all PV dot linear dot Y plus this ball transform dot position dot Y. Okay, and then if YY speed is less than y speed, then that means this ball is the one we want to be following. Okay. Also, for testing purposes, let's go here. And so if it's an extra ball or it's a thingy, we get extra balls. So cool. Give us more balls. We want more balls. Better result with a linear y divided by position y divided by plus half the arena height. But the position y is going to be either a positive or a negative number because the 0 plane is at this point right here in the center of the screen. So if the ball's down here, it's a negative number, and if it's above, it's a positive number. So if we add on a negative, we get a bigger negative, and if we add on a positive, we get a lower negative. Right? Right? That's why adding half the arena height. Okay. Okay. We get two balls here and see if this doesn't follow properly. Then go. My brain is not functioning awake enough. Yeah. Half the arena height is 7 because the arena is 14 tiles high. Well, the paddle's at -7. Pick the ball that's going to leave the arena first. Okay. Yeah, I'm not denying what you're saying. Is that my brain is not functioning enough to see why dividing it would be different than adding a larger negative number on. That's the problem. I can't see the reasoning behind it. This doesn't seem to be working either, though. It looks like it's still getting confused. It's going to get confused anyway because it can't. It's limited to its movement speed is limited. So yeah, but yeah. So it's definitely trying to chase some of the balls when they're much further away. So okay. So let me here. So we want to do this divided by the ball's position. I'll hard code it as 7 for the moment because I know it's 14. The paddle is at -7, but the top of the arena is 14. So oh dear. Oh, that's not a good. That's not good. Can we go back to the menu and try? Oh no, it's still getting big ones here. Oh, I think it's set to the minute, isn't it? I think it picks the game level depending on the minute past the hour. No, that's not right because it's 8 minutes past the hour. This is not level 8. I can't remember what it sets the game level to. Oh, where's my mouse? The menu. I need to get the menu script. Hold on, let's have a demo mode. Oh no, it gets the system based on the second past the minute, so it picks a random level between 1 and 60. Actually, that could potentially pick the level 0, couldn't it? Yeah, that could potentially pick level 0. Oh no, I think I've got a failsafe elsewhere for it as well. So I don't need to do that. I've got a failsafe when we spawn the level, don't we? Do I have a failsafe for spawning the level? I don't remember. Maybe not. Maybe not. Nope, we could potentially throw in level 0, couldn't we here? Yep. Yep, I could potentially throw in level 0. Okay, so that means this does indeed want to have a +1 to it. The demo mode could have thrown in level 0, so. Which would have very confused the game. The paddle's twitching again. The paddles are twitching. As the ball gets really close to it, it twitches. Maybe it's not 7. Maybe the arena's 8. 16 high instead of 14 high. Oh. We confused it. Yep. It's leaving the ball before it disappears. So I think this is actually 8. I think that's on me. I think that's an 8. Yeah, because the paddle. Hold on, let's see here. Paddle. Where does the paddle get spawned? The paddle's 8.5. Okay, so the arena's. Nine. The arena's 9. I must have made that bigger. Okay. Hey, it's a nice easy level. Yay! But it was definitely a smoother follow then. It's not doing this jiggery. Yeah, the paddle's not jumping around either. I mean, it's trying. It's trying. It looks impressive. Definitely looks like it's trying a lot harder than it did before. But I still feel like it's chasing the wrong balls. And for some reason, also, it loses the bonus balls. Yeah. Do things, yeah. I mean, the explosions are pretty colours. The explosions are actually supposed to be multicoloured. They're not supposed to just be white. The bounces are. The bounces were supposed to be white. The explosions were supposed to be multicoloured. I think. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Still, yes, it's nah. Yeah, it does look as if it's chasing more realistic balls that it can hit rather than just randomly chasing things. It does kind of like it's attempting better. It's not doing a great job of it. Also, for some reason, demo mode can actually launch one ball at a time. I can't do that in player with the player one. I don't know what's happened there, but I need to look at how that's worked, because I tried to do that and failed. And then demo mode's randomly doing it and is actually launching a single ball at a time. Ember, welcome back. What I should do as well is the pieces that break, the hex pieces that break and fall down, they should be like the colours of the original block. So if it was a red block, it should be red when they break, and so yeah, that sort of thing. Bonk. Oh. No, you can't make it. Wait, what? What? Why is there a game over screen on the... What would have triggered that? It clearly thinks that there's no ball left in the scene, which there isn't. There isn't a ball left in the scene, right? And then every time it finishes a level, it's clearly checking whether there's a ball in the scene, failing because there's no ball, and taking a life off because we're respawning the ball every time, aren't we? Yeah, every level we respawn the ball. Does that happen when you're playing yourself as well? I can't push escape either. I'm stuck in demo mode. Right, okay. Needs to be multiplied by distance to the ball as well. Does that happen here as well? Let's see. Hold on. I don't know why there's a game over screen on demo mode. That's very weird. I think I know why. And it's going to be because of the way I actually test whether it's game over or not. Let's find out. So let's... No, that didn't take a life away from us. See, it's not deleting the balls. So you just fire both when I click. I need to figure out how you do that. Alright, so if I now go back to the main menu, it turns this off. So if I go new game and then push F5, it will trigger the auto thing and will actually give you the menu at the top, okay? I don't want to do this. Go back to menu. Let's wait until it's over time, because it picks it based on the seconds. So I want to pick a nice low level for it to fire on. What I'm thinking is that when it finishes the level, it causes the ball, which is vibrating like mad here, which YouTube is not showing. On my screen, that is vibrating like a nutter. But I think it's deleting the ball at the end of the level, respawning things, and then it's triggering the fact that it's got no ball in the scene and therefore is losing a life. And then of course it does that 3 times for 3 different levels, which causes the game over screen to trigger. That didn't work though, that didn't trigger the game over. I wonder what caused that. I'm not quite sure why you've gone to level 2. Oh, maybe you start around a level and then just add 1 to it every time. I don't know. I kind of like this erratic. Which one do I chase? Help me, help me. Yeah, that's what it's doing. So many to fire off, it's just... It's trying, bless it. It's trying, look at it go, look. Doing its best. It's doing a lot better than what I originally had it set to. When I originally had it set, it would lose so many of these so quickly. See, it's lost a life there for some reason. And now it's only got one ball. Right, okay, so there's a bug somewhere. We got a bug somewhere. It's causing Damamo to lose lives. Will it lose another life this level? Let's see. It did. It lost another life that level. Why is that? Why does it lose some lives on some levels and not on other ones? I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the fact that we clean up that shouldn't make any difference to it though. Is demo mode not sending the right signals? Is it not sending the right stage data? It's not demo mode is clearly doing something different though, because it launches the ball differently to the way the player launches the ball. It launches the ball in a much more desirable way, but so you didn't lose the ball that time. I need to make you not wait a second. I need to make you like wait 1/10 of a second or something. Right, okay. Right, stop. Right. That's easy here because we can change the timer to be Moving buffer to add moving buffer dot launch equals true. Is it because I'm clicking the mouse, and when I click the mouse it adds multiple launch buffers? Is that the reason it launches so many of them at once? And this only adds one launch buffer? Okay. However, so that's fine, but I could change this to be like, would you launch every 0.1 seconds instead, which is fine. So if you've got all the hex data, so we just keep going until we have all the hex data. Once this has 0 in it, this does not trigger, which means it goes into here. Every ball we have is set to launch 0. And then we look for the run data. And we set the level data to ++, so we increase the level by 1. And we set the start tape to next level. Why would that cause us to lose a life? That's something to do with the ball check system, isn't it? This thing. I could literally just say right here in the on update, if we're in demo mode, just don't worry about it. Ignore the lives. That's what's happening here. This is so the level spawn system. When it starts, so go back here. So when we finish a level, we tell the level data we want to go to the next level. The level spawn system comes down here and goes, we're not in a none state, so what we want to do first is we want to clean up everything. So the clean up deletes all the balls in the scene. Because there's no balls in the scene, the ball movement system, sorry, the ball check system sees there's no balls in the scene and deletes a life from us. So what I need to do is remove the game running tag whilst the cleanup is in operation. So the level spawn system wants to remove the game running tag up here. If our level start type is none, we should have the game running tag. And if our level start type is not none, we should not have the game running tag, because if it's not none, that means we are not technically running, we are doing something else. So the game running tag should not be running. Okay, where do I get the game running tag from? What triggers the game running tag? So you need the game running tag, so the demo system needs the game running tag. That's fine, the demo system doesn't have to run whilst the level's spawning. apply game running tag. So this is doing it. So it's the menu entity. So we can get the menu entity, we can remove the game running tag from it. Okay, so in the level spawn system, we want to for each var, well, var entity in system API.query ref ro, doesn't matter, we don't even want the reference to it, menu entity tag. Dot with no with entity access, please. Oop. If API dot as component game running tag menu entity. If it doesn't have the component, then we want to go add it. Can I do that with the system API? No, I need the entity command buffer to do it. Okay, so we have to create another entity command buffer up here. But only if we need it. Okay, ECB add component game running tag menu entity comma new game running tag, like so. Okay, hold on. So if we're in level type none and we don't have the game running tag, we want to add it. Okay, otherwise we want to come down here and we want to remove it, because if we're not in the none state, we want to remove it, because that means we are doing something. So copy this, paste that here. It's such a shame to double up on the code, but I can't think of any other way to do it. Okay, if we do have it, then I want to remove the tag. I don't need to see command buffer to remove a tag, do I? Remove component, game running tag from the menu entity. Okay, so if we're a level start type is none, which means we're not doing something for the level type. We check to see if the entity component has it, because I don't want to add it if it was already got it. I don't think it matters if you do that anyway, but yeah, we check to see if it has it, and then if it doesn't, we add it, so the game is running. So this will constantly check to see whether it's there, and we'll add it. However, if we're not in the none type, which means we're doing something, then we check to see if it has the game running tag and we remove it, because we don't want the game running tag on here. And then this all plays out and does its thing here. Because this gets removed now, that means the demo system stops running, the ball check system stops running, so we don't have to worry about extra lives disappearing. That will also stop the player from accidentally losing lives for no reason. The level spawn system doesn't rely on that, so it will still run even if it doesn't have the game running state. So yeah, that should work, I think. Let's find out. Play. New game. Level has been cleared. Why has level been cleared? Quit menu. New game. Game over. Okay. So. Okay. Clearly we've broken something else here. Right. Why have we broken something else here? So, do I not want the menu to do this? The game running tag? Let's comment you out for a moment. Where's the other reference? Menu instance. Like that there. I'm a very confused hedgehog right now. Don't know so much about Q. Very confused. Right, play. That won't make any difference because that was demo mode anyway. So when I hit new game, it instantly clears the thing, but the game is still very clearly running in the background. Why do you do that? What about the other menus then? So, okay, the level clear menu. What are you looking for? Not enabled. Why would you trigger? Why would you be triggering? That must be the level clear script that's doing that. Level clear check system. So you shouldn't be running if the game tag isn't running. You need ball data, level data, player data, run once data, so you shouldn't run until after the level has spawned. So why are you triggering now that we've added this in here? If our level start type equals none, let me add the game running component to it. So the level start type is none. Yep, that's fine. Then we return. If we have a component, then we remove it, right? I'm confused as to why it's starting the level and then instantly finishing the level. Why is the ball spawning? What? 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 Run data, right, where's the run data being set? Hold on. This is player data. Good. Right, that's the new game button, but we haven't hit that yet. Why would the right, hang on a moment, where's the run data being run once data? Add new run once data. Are you being set to true by something somewhere? Respawn ball equals false. Start type equals start type dot none. Yes, you can't see me, I am invisible. My powers of stealth astound you. Right, so just making sure they are set to 0. Hit play. Something's overwriting the data and it's causing the ball to spawn.
Hello there.
Hello there. Okay. What is causing the ball to spawn? Where is my... Let's come down here. Right, we'll go here. Entity 1. This is the player data. And the clear type. That's actually type category. That shouldn't be running either. This requires the game running tag. The game running tag is not run. It does not exist. You have the game running tag. Why do you have the game running tag? But it's disabled. Lives is minus 676. Right, stuff is running when it it shouldn't be. The ball movement system is the game running tag, so that's why that doesn't bounce around. That's fine. You require the game running tag as well. Never spawn system does not require the game running tag. That's fine. Special trigger system does require the game running tag. Special data is a data thing. Okay, right. What other systems could be spawning the ball? The only thing that can possibly spawn the ball is the level spawn system. And the only way it could be spawning the ball is if it is getting information about this. So the run data is being modified somewhere. Does the ball check system require... The ball check system requires the game running tag. So you shouldn't be running. But you are running. Yes, that, yeah, you're right. That's what I'm doing. I'm setting the game running tag there. Yes. That's why all the components are running. So I don't want to do that there then, do I? No. I don't want to do that there. You're right, that's what I'm missing. That is what I'm missing. I want to do that down here once. After the level has finished doing everything, we want to set the game running tag to true. And only set it true once. Let's set it true before we set that one. That's why the ball system is spawning and other bits and pieces are doing their bits and pieces, yeah. That's weird though, because... No, because the tag's not enableable. Oh, I'm misreading. That's the problem. So come down here to my entity. Yeah. I thought because it wasn't ticked, it means it's not running. No, that just means that it's not enableable. Okay, hit new game. There we go. Boom. It's got the game running tag. Push escape. Gets rid of the game running tag. Everything stops working. Okay. Yes. Well spotted. Well spotted. That's what I was doing wrong there. So every frame I was enabling it, wasn't I? Yeah. Well, not every frame, just once. Now it only runs once down here. But if we oh God. Yeah. What? It's a bit manic. It's a bit manic, but it's going. It's doing it. It's chasing them a lot better than before. So yeah. I had 3 balls that time though, so it's definitely losing balls between levels, which is weird, but so how are we doing here? We've got 4. It's down to 1, and it's lost the ball. It's lost a light. Right, okay. Why did it lose a life? Still gotta figure that one out. Boom, 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 boom. I need to actually set this up and leave this running every night and get a debug set up to how long it takes the demo mode to complete a level. So that I can get the timings for you know, how long I want it to complete a level. So if you can beat the AI, then you get 3 stars. But I can't leave it ticking over overnight to just get all the level data, because if it's losing lives, when it runs out of lives, obviously it will set a game over precedence, and I don't want that. Didn't lose life that then. Right, so I need to figure out what's triggering the live data. It could be the ordering of stuff. It could well be that the removing the tag, could be using the command buffer to remove the tag, means that the ball check script gets to run at least once before that happens. Okay, we're down to 1 ball now, so see what happens in this level. Okay. Yeah, our ball count on the side there says -9. Why did it say -9? Why does the ball count say -9? Is it removing a ball from the ball count every time a ball gets deleted off the game? Off the level? That's weird then, because the ball count should increase every time a new ball spawns. Am I not doing that? Am I not adding the ball to the ball count? That must be what's happening. Well, let's see. This level will probably lose a life on. And then the ball count will go back to 0. I guess when we spawn a new ball, I'm not getting the player data and adding a new ball to the player data, which I should be. Why would we not be doing that? Maybe we're not doing that in demo mode? Yeah, see, it lost another one there. So the previous ball count has now been set to -9. And the current ball count is 1. Okay, let's see what happens when a ball spawns. Are we not adding? Yes, we are. We've added 2 to it. 3. Why would it go down? That's gone down to 2, but it didn't go up to 3. That's gone down to 0. It's removing 2 every time a ball falls off the map. Now we're up to 2 and we should up to 4. Is it in my ball deletion thing that it's removing 2 balls? Why would it be doing that? Ball count is 5, and there's clearly more than 5 balls on there. Four, 2, 1, 0, -2. It's moving. Right, okay, stop. The ball count is being removed. So ball check system. What's this? So if we have any balls, we do that. Otherwise, we drop the balls and set the ball count back to 1. Okay, that's fine. That's not a problem. That's only if we run out of balls. Right. Ball movement system. It's got to be in here. You are triggering twice. You are triggering twice before the NC component system can run. Is this a job? No, this is not an update. Which singleton? It is the End Simulation Entity Command Buffer, which I think is the right one. I think we changed all of them to be the same command buffer. Yeah, they're all End Singleton. End Simulation Entity. Yeah, they're all. Every command buffer we're using is the same command buffer. That's the only thing I can think of that's happening there. If it's less than -12, then we tell it to be destroyed, and we get the player data and we remove it. So I'm guessing it's firing twice. So it fires this frame and it fires the next frame before this can run. Which is why I was wondering if it was a job. If we could make it a job, we could tell the job not to run on ones that have the destroy entity thing. Probably the fixed step version. It confuses me which one's which. I know we showed things there. Master Rab, hello, good evening. Wishing my Factory Town playthrough, episode 27. Awesome. I'm in the middle of doing the rail things on that now, but it's a long way off there, but I'm very happy to hear you've got the game. It's an awesome game, definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, very happy to hear that. I hope you've been enjoying it. I mean, enjoy playing it. There's a lot of things you can do in it, a lot of things. Yeah. Use end fix something. Hold on, let's end fix step simulation entity command buffer. Let's do that. Let's try that one. So I'll be honest with you. The amount of different command buffers that I know they fire at different places. I know you can see which ones fire here, there, and everywhere. But I get very confused as to, like, you create it on one frame, it should fire the next frame, but sometimes they don't always fire the next frame. They fire like a frame later. So you end up getting double things happening. If it persists, the way I fix that would be I'd go into the ball data, which we're getting the information from here anyway, and I'd add a new thing just saying is dead, and then we'll just go down here and go if the ball's low there and it's not dead, then we trigger this. Otherwise it's dead. We just tell the ball's dead, and then we ignore it if the ball is dead. Because that will update the value this value RW thing updates this frame, but the command buffer updates the next frame, which is weird. Yeah, 200 meg for the amount of details. And yeah, it's amazing. I mean, I've got I assume you're watching the current series, the season 10 one. Obviously I've got 10 seasons of that game going there. I've been playing it for years, and I just came back to it after a couple of years off for 3,000 subscribers, 2,500 subscribers or whatever it was. But yeah, I forgot how much I loved that game and how complicated you can make such a simple factory game. You know, the game itself is very simple and quite easy to play, but the complications you can do in it to make things, you know, the not complications, that's the wrong word, the I don't know what I'm trying to say there, the detail that you can add to the game. Yes, the amount of complications, let's go with that. The amount of complications you can choose to add to make your factory more efficient, faster, different, you know, things to this. Yeah, optimization. Yeah, optimization would be a good word for that as well. Obviously, you've seen I'm doing a big episode 27. Is that far enough? Where we got the actual town layout system set up, where I'm doing the 8 different towns with a big rail system. I think that's far enough. I can't remember. Scroll down. This one here. Ball count is 1. Okay, so play monkey play. Yeah. There's a lot of interest in it. So you've got to add that's interesting. So that didn't work, but also we've got a wobbly now. In fact, the entity does not exist. That's the only thing I changed here. So obviously this is fired. This has triggered something to be, it could be where we're destroying the stuff. It's where are we destroying the stuff? Hold on. Destroying system. We're using the begin simulation here. So I'm destroying the entity before it's ready to be destroyed. My bull system is not running on the fixed step one. No, it's not. And simulation fixes there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bull data here and give this another bull. He's dead. And then here we're going to go and bull data dot is dead. Bull data dot value. Damn it. Value RO dot is dead. And if we're not dead, then we do this and we go bull data dot value RW dot is dead equals true. There you go. That'll fix that. That should fix that. So if the bull is now dead, it will not trigger this a second time. But it's interesting because obviously you can't add the same entity data to the same thing twice. So yeah, I don't know why the ball movement system isn't on the fixed step thing. I think because it's this is not actually this just adjusts the movement, doesn't actually set the movement. The movement is actually using the physics engine. But that's because an I system doesn't have an on fixed update, does it? It just has an on update. So yeah. See, I am a professional programmer. I completely knew that I can't push escape anymore. When I start the demo up. That's definitely a problem. Why can't I push escape anymore? Menu. Menu. Mono behavior. Menu. Why can't I push escape? On update. If keycode escape and we're not currently paused. Which is true. Ah, that's because I need to do this. Is that right? I think we need to re-enable that. I think. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, who wrote this code? There we go. Okay, so now we can. Yeah, yeah. However, I need to reset that as well. When I click new game, I need to make sure this is all reset. No, because that's the level data. That's not the player data. How do I reset the player data? Because a new game needs to reset the player data, doesn't it? Let's just do the same thing here. And then call this oh no, hang on. We need to do that as well, don't we? Gone there. I mean, stream may lag just generally normally, but having a name like Community Guidelines is a little misleading, don't you think? You create that. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to here. A reset world tag. What is that? What does the reset the world tag? What does that do? Reset world system. Ah, this is the one. This is the one. So in here, I want to reset my player data as well. So we're resetting the world because we're going back to nothing. So I want to grab for each player data, entity in system API dot query player data dot within axis. Yay. Player data. Oh. I would like this to be a ref RW, please, because I need to player data value RW Can we tell the ECB to set component data? T, comma to player data like that. There we go. That's what I do. Boom. And then we go to the menu and we grab this and we throw that all in there. That does not need to be a ref RW anymore because we are using the component system to set the new player data. In fact, that just needs to be an underscore like the other ones because we're not actually using it. We are just setting the data to reset. So when we reset the world, we are resetting everything back to default. Cool. Hopefully I don't reset the world between levels, which I don't think I do. It's only when we return to main menu, don't we? We reset the world. Yeah. Okay. Play. New game. F5 to bring the menu up. Let's let you do your thing. Oh. Scroll down here. Let's scroll that one. Scroll that one. Thank you. Ball count is 1. Down South England. Yes, I am up. It's 2:23 in the morning here, which is about the time I start to fade for sleeping. So, yeah. Boing boing boing. Yeah. The yawnies were around earlier on. The yawnies were very much around earlier on, so. Okay. Boing. Come on, there's got to be some more balls in there somewhere. Come on. Smash those question marks. Do it. Do it. No, don't get more bonus things at the bottom. We want more bonus balls. Do 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 do. Hey, you got one. Right, okay. Ball count says, oh, 3. Yes, there is 3 on the map now. Okay, cool. Right, so let's see whether this works here. Okay, we're looking over here. Make sure this number stays at the correct number of balls on the screen. It doesn't go down by 2 every time. Of course, he's got to break through all the defences managed to build up, but it's okay. Hey, broke through the floor. Four balls. 3 balls. Work nights up in Scotland. Oh, I mean, I was complaining because it was cold down here. I am completely the opposite end of the country. Yeah, that must be very cold. Okay, 2. It says 2 balls. We have 2 balls on the screen. Cool. Now the thing works. Excellent. Okie dokie. That means we won't go into negative numbers anymore and lose lives between things. However, the AI could potentially still lose the game by losing all the balls. We don't want them to do that at all, ever. But I think that is going to have to wait until next time we do this, because I require the sleep. I require the sleep. Yeah. It's 20 degrees here. That's because you're on the wrong side of the planet. If you were on this side of the planet, you'd realise that it's I don't even know what the temperature is outside here. Hold on. Phone, tell me what the temperature is outside there. It is. It is not telling me. Why is it not telling me? It is currently 3 degrees here, apparently. 3 degrees, thick fog. It was thick fog earlier on today, so yeah. Yeah, 3 degrees. Yay. I love working outside in this weather. Absolutely love working outside when it's this weather. But then again, got to kind of take it, because then the summer comes along and I do get to work outside when everyone else is complaining because it's too, you know, it's too stuffy or something. You can roll the windows down in the van and lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah. I'm in a van, not in a truck there. It does have a heater. Yes, you are right. But I have to get out to actually make my deliveries. Okay. And it's far worse going from hot to cold to hot to cold to hot to cold than just staying warm all the time. So, yeah. Because you're in the van, you get nice and toasty, everything's fantastic, and then you have to get out in the freezing cold, and you feel it far more because you were warm. And then you get back in the van after being outside in the cold for a bit, and you're like, God, it's boiling. glasses steam up and everything goes just no. So yeah. It's definitely chasing the ball that now will be more likely to run out of game before. Yeah, it's definitely. So thank you, Urkel, for that. Thank you for letting me know that formula so we can actually chase the correct items. That's fine. The size of the place is actually so it cannot bounce from one corner to the other corner and back again, because it always tries to reflect back to 45 degrees. So I haven't got to worry about it getting stuck in an infinite loop of backwards and forwards. There you go, no lives lost. Excellent. Okie dokie. Cool. So it works. It works. Awesome. It's just 0 there. 0 degrees. What temperature is it? None. There is no temperature. Yeah, it has. As I said, it's not been much fun when it's been like -2. I think -4 was the worst I saw it, but yeah. And as I said, I'm the south of England, so up in Scotland it must be absolutely freezing. It's nice to know the level start time triggers correctly though, so we can still time the AI playing the game. So I could set the level to be level 1 and just set up a simple debug and go, whenever you finish a level, tell me how long you took to finish the level. Yeah. Okie dokie. I am happy with that. Okay, cool. Right, so the reset system works there. That's working fine there. I do still need to double check that the double lives off for demo mode. I think we can do that. Actually, I can do that right now. If I go back into demo mode, do we get the player data anywhere in here? We get the level data. I don't think we get the player data anywhere, do we? The circulation. Frozen crystallized blood. Yes. Level data, run data, player data is elsewhere, isn't it? Yeah. What I want to do is I want to make sure that the player data, just every time we continue, is always set to 3. So, but we'll figure that one out next time. It's not. I thought it might be in there. It's not in there, so we're gonna have to access that from somewhere else. So that's the next thing we need to do. Okay, and then I want to start working on these. I'm not sure about actually having them drop down to be caught. I might leave them up in the thing, because I don't think I actually want to have any bad pickups. I want them to all be good. So yeah, I think I want them to all the pickups you do, just yeah, have them be good ones. So yeah, but it is 2:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. This has become a question mark as well, because that may not be true. That may just be that it's not working the way I expected it to work, but we'll leave that there. Anyway, okay. So yeah, I'm going to try and get back into it. I did say I wanted to finish off this game before the new year, but I didn't say what year, so we're still technically on target for that. Yeah, so that'll be fine. Yeah. Yeah, I live on means don't get snow. Yeah, I mean, I'm right on the coast, so it's very rare you get snow down here. Yeah, it's not, well, not right on the coast, but the coast is close enough that it doesn't do that. It just frosts up everywhere, and we get really bad fog, like really, really, really terrible fog. Probably terrible frogs as well. I don't know. I've never met any mean frogs, but maybe. Yeah. I'm just making a game because I want to learn how Unity's entity component system works, which is not, it's complete overkill. The entity system is complete overkill for a game that simple, but I have made probably 1,000 different little things that have never amounted to an actual full game. So I thought, you know what, if I actually stream it, I'll have a reason to finish it. And then might stick it up on itch for I don't know, $1 or something, or £1 or whatever, and just but I really want to make my own factory style game. That's the idea. I want to make my own factory town, or well, not Factorio, nothing that grandiose, but you know, start something simple. Yeah, I think that'll be yeah, that's the plan. But rather than jump straight into that and get myself confused, I thought I'd start by making a game that we all know. Breakout is a very simple game, and just add a couple of twists to it and see if I can make my own version of it. And you learn. Everything you do, you learn. I've learned many things in this that I shouldn't have done, many things that I've now know how they work better, so that's how you do it. Yeah. Also, would help if I could spell the word special. I'm staring at special that's spelled S-E-P rather than S-P-E. So, yeah, there we go. Anyway, let's leave this here for a ramble on forever. And, yeah, we're back tomorrow playing some more Airborne Empires, because we're going to go off to another place and deal with the third island. I have no idea what's going to wait for us over there, so, yeah. And then Thursday, we're back doing more development, and maybe Airborne Empire on Friday, or back in Satisfactory. Not sure. But either way, I'll see you then. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you again in the next one. And until then, as always, have fun. Thank you very, very, very much for the gift subs. Master Rap, thank you. You are a legend. Thank you very, very much. I will see you next time. Thank you.